There's plenty to talk about in a couple of minutes here. We got the tropics in the United States, wildfires, about 1 million acres have burned in California now, about 14,000 firefighters, I believe, at this point, with firefighters already lost their lives fighting these things, so wildfire season will continue in the long term here. Also worth noting, 2 weeks since that Iowa derecho, areas of Iowa are still cleaning up today. But I will start with the tropics. We're watching Marco, Laura, both a tropical storm. Marco was a hurricane for a little bit yesterday. It did weaken, but even though it's not a hurricane, we still have to report it and take it seriously because it's still a tropical storm. It's packing a lot of moisture, literally tons of it, and it's got to go somewhere. Winds max sustained 50 miles per hour, moving northwest. It's running into an air mass with a lot of wind shear, so this track is significantly different compared to yesterday, but it could hug the coastline of Louisiana for a while. So we got tropical storm warnings out, also near Biloxi, Mississippi as well. So be mindful, tropical storm force winds, potentially life-threatening storm surge, still an issue in some of those purple areas, so stay out of the water. Laura, still a tropical storm, hence why even though it's a storm, it's not just a storm. Areas of Haiti and the Dominican Republic, they had tremendous flooding yesterday. Hundreds of people lost their homes yesterday in the DR, and it's working its way between Cuba, Jamaica, the Cayman Islands. This could become a significant hurricane in the Gulf Tuesday and Wednesday. We're keeping an eye on that. Right now, the cone of uncertainty has a landfall along the Louisiana-Texas state line Thursday morning at 2 a.m. That is still subject to change, but right now it's the time to not be anxious. It's to be alert. Be weather aware and avoid the weather hypers out there. Across the nation, air quality alerts because of all of these ongoing wildfires, a lot of dry thunderstorms, a lot of lightning concerns out west. Areas of the upper Midwest near the Florida Panhandle, New England and the Northeast watching for severe weather today. Plenty of heat as well to go around.